Hey guys, Todd here with Great Escape Farms. So today I'm going to do a video of a tiny house on a property that I bought. So my farm is right over there next door. I bought this place because it had a mobile home on it that I'm working on fixing up and making the company office out of. And this, which we affectionately refer to right now as a bunkhouse. Let a rabbit go running by there. Sorry, I'm easily distracted. And I think my dog right there is trying to catch the rabbit, but hasn't caught up to him yet. Anyhow, I'm sorry, I distracted again. Anyhow, this is what we refer to as the bunkhouse. It's a tiny house. Actually, the guy who owned this property before, so 2 people ago, the last people put the mobile home on, but 2 people ago, or 2 owners ago, the guy actually lived in here. So let me pan around and show you a little bit about the outside here. There is no running water or any kind of bathroom or anything. He did have somewhat of a kitchen sink. He did have an outhouse. Let me tune into that there, or pan into that. So that's the outhouse there, and that's just a little bit of a shed there. So he was actually living in here. He did have a wood stove for heat, and you can see he had a telephone box there, and he did have some electric and other stuff in here. But he lived very rough. Let me just go ahead to the door here and push it open. You can see he had a little deck up front here. And on the inside, hopefully the light is good enough in here. You can see he had logs on the bottom and just plain plywood on the upper section here. A tin roof on the top part. He did have some windows, obviously you can see right there. I mean, that's daylight coming through, so it was rather airy. I would think it'd be freezing cold in the winter time. And he did have a sink there, but like I say, he didn't have running water, so that just kind of sits there. He left the stuff sit there, I guess. All this stuff right here is from my construction project inside the mobile home there, so I brought all that in. There's his wood stove. Just kind of goes up off that way. And in here he had 2 bunk beds. Let me see if I can move this piece of wood out of the way. So he had 2 bunk beds, one on the lower and one on the upper section there. And a little window up there for morning light. And believe it or not, somebody actually lived here. I'd say this is probably 25 by 25. And to me, this is absolutely a tiny house. I mean, if I had to live in here, I suppose I could, but it would be tough. So anyhow, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.